Hello children, welcome to maths class. Here we are learning question number 9 of 13.2 surface area and volume. Hope you are learning well from this channel. Let us start. Question number 9 is find the lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. Then second one, we have to find how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. We will talk about a second one later. First, let's start the solution. The question is here, there is one storage tank, petrol storage tank. So we start with for a petrol storage tank. Storage tank, that tank is cylindrical. We have 4.2 meter diameter, so diameter is given 4.2 meter, and when we have diameter we will get the radius, so it will be 4.2 by 2. We can leave 4.2 by 2 or we can write it 2.1. You know 2 2s are 4.1, so 2.1 meter is the radius. Then height of the tank is 4.5 meter. Then what we have to find? The lateral surface area or curved surface area. Very simple, we know cylindrical shape 2 pi r h, so nothing more to discuss in such questions. We read the question and we know what we are going to do here. So straight we go for, we write lateral surface area or we write curved surface area of the cylindrical petrol tank. Cylindrical tank, that's all, is equal to 2 pi r h. 2 pi 22 by 7 and radius 2.1 into height is 4.5. Reaching here we will calculate, remove this decimal, we get 10. Here again we will remove decimal 1 and 1 0 because after digit decimal 1 right side digit is there. Then 7 1s are 7, 3s are 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45, 2 1s are 2 1s are. Now we are getting here 22, 3 and 9 by 10. This 10 now completely we cannot cut, so we will keep this 10, so that later when we divide after one digit we will put decimal, it has 1 0. So 23 into 22 into 3, 66 into 9. If we multiply 66 into 9, what we get? 54, 54 and 5, 54 and 5, 59. 9 6 are 54, again 9 6 are 54, 5 59. So 594 we will get, and in denominator 10 is there, so simple to divide. 59.4 meter square is the curved surface area. So first one we have done. The second one is telling how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of steel actually was wasted in making the tank. Now let's think once, when we are going to make storage tank, surely curved surface area will be there and bottom and top both, that means total surface area of the tank. Then thing is that steel is used in making the tank, so how much steel we bring for making the tank or anything? Do we use all that? No, some will be wasted, maybe in folding, overlapping or in cutting and all, giving the shape. Some amount of whatever we use, plastic or steel or wood, whatever material we are using, some will be wasted. That is what here it is mentioned. 1/12 of steel actually was used. How much? 1/12 of that was wasted, and we do not know how much steel was wasted. So what shall we do? We will assume x meter square steel was used for making. Let x meter square steel was actually used. Steel was actually used in making the tank. Making the tank. and how much is wasted? Wasted 1 by 12 of that. So x minus 1 by 12 of x. How much steel is still there in the tank? That is the total surface area of the tank. So that is equal to total surface area of cylindrical tank. I hope you have understood. Once more, let's go in this portion. We do not know how much steel we brought. We are knowing how much we brought. 1 by 12 was wasted. So we brought x meter square steel. 1 by 12 of it was wasted. That means 1 by 12 of x was wasted. And how much steel is still in the tank? That is total surface area of the tank. So this is the concept for it. Now let's go for simplification. X minus 1 by 12 of x, that is x by 12. Total surface area of the cylindrical tank, 2 pi r into h plus r. Here we can get LCM. 12 1 LCM 12. 12 into x 12x. This all you know. 12 divided by 12 1 into x. 2 pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 2.1 into h. Height of the tank is 4.5 and radius is 2.1. So here also we are getting very simple work. Just go on referring the previous step and you will be able to do the new step. Here remove decimal, we get 10. 7 ones are 7 threes are, 2 ones are 2 fives are, 22 into 3 66 by 5 into 5 1 6 and 4 plus 2 also 6. So remove this decimal also, by 10 it will come. Now what we see? X. We need x. How much steel was actually used? 11 by 12 we take in RHS, 66 by 5 into 66 by 10, and when 11 by 12 comes, it will be 12 by 11 here. We know it will change the sign, numerator will go in denominator, denominator will come in numerator. Let's now simplify. 11 ones are 11 6 are. Now what we see? This 10, it's okay, let us cut this also. 2 fives are 2 6 are. Finally, now not able to cut any number. So x is equal to 66 and 6 6 are 36. 66 into 36, 6 6 are 36, 36 to 3 39, 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 1 19, 6 17, 9 3 12, 1 13, 1 1 2. So we get 2 3 7 6 divide by 25. So we need to divide, we will divide 2376 divide by 25. 25 9s are 225, we will get 2 1 6 22 5s are 25 5s are 125 1. Now decimal we put, but still we cannot divide, so one more 0 will put here and then 1 0. 25 4s are 100. So finally we got 95.04 meter square steel was used in making the tank. So only this step, when we are going to calculate how much steel was actually used in the tank, we need to get this step properly with a clear concept, otherwise we will not reach here, we will reach somewhere else. Remember how much steel was brought and then how much was wasted, and the remaining steel is in the tank, that is the total surface area of the tank, and refer the calculation and learn it well. See you in the next video.